Guys, this is Apple Gamer 24/7. Here to give you guys today a video editing tutorial today on how to export in HD using ScreenFlow. This is a requested video idea that somebody left in one of the comments on one of my videos, so I figured this is pretty easy to do, and I just figured I would show you guys for those that aren't clear how to do it. So first of all, I'm using the latest version of ScreenFlow, ScreenFlow 3, but if you have ScreenFlow 2, there's a few other extra steps I don't really have, but basically, the way I can explain it to you guys is that if you know how to export in HD using iMovie 11 using QuickTime, you pretty much know how to export in HD using ScreenFlow 2, our previous version, but this is for ScreenFlow 3. So opening up your ScreenFlow document, I just recorded something before I started this video. This is just a random screen recording I did of me just opening up my Safari browser and going to my website. It's about 12 seconds on, so it shouldn't do anything. So once you're done recording whatever you want to record with ScreenFlow, do any extra editing that you normally do. As you guys know, in these type of videos, I usually edit things to make things bigger or to highlight certain things in the video. I usually do the shortcut to add my keystrokes on here so you guys can see what type of commands I'm doing if it involves keyboard shortcuts. But with that said, what you want to do once you're done is you want to go to File, Export. Basically, I have mine already set up. I can teach you guys right here. Right here, you want to go to Customize. You want to go to Settings. Keep your frame rate at current. Keyframes automatic. Under the compressor quality, if it's under fast encoding, change it to best quality multipass and slide the slider all the way to the best section. For data rate, keep it automatic as well. If you want to pause the video to copy these down to your settings, you can, but after you're done with that, hit OK. Next down, come to your audio settings. The format is going to be AAC, stereo left and right, so I'm because both speakers. The rate is fine. The quality, keep it at normal or even best if you want, but I usually keep mine at normal. In the target bit rate, it could be either 192 or 256. In this case, I'm going to just leave it at 256, so hit OK. So once that's done, hit OK again. Now, what you want to do now is that normally on ScreenFlow, it's going to be under the Dimensions tab, there's going to be a button that says Scale by 50% to 960 by 540. That is not HD. I believe that is less than HD. I think that's even high quality. But what we want to do is we want to scale to custom size. Now, by default, what it should do is that it should go to your screen resolution, because that's what ScreenFlow recorded and was your screen resolution. So in my case, my screen resolution is 1920 by 1080. So that is full HD video. So depending on what resolution you want to export in, if you want to export in 1080p, leave it at change it to 1920 by 1080 if it's not already there. In my case, what I like to do is I like to change it to 1280 by 720 because I usually export and upload in 720p. You don't want to do letterboxing if you don't want to. If you're looking for that effect, you can check it, and you don't want to check motion blur. So once that's done, what you want to do is you want to pick a destination for your video. I'm putting mine on the desktop, and I'm just going to call it ScreenFlow. I'm just going to call it test. If I could type, there we go. Hit export. And once it exports, this should take fairly quickly since it's a really short video. But depending on how big your video is and what resolution and the length of it, it may take a while. But if you watch this, it's good. I'm going to do this in real time. It's under a minute. So this is pretty easy to do, like I said. In ScreenFlow 2, like I was saying before, if you know how to export an iMovie 11 using QuickTime, you basically know how to do it in ScreenFlow 2. But once that's done, you can flip over to your desktop, and we have our movie right here. So you can put this in the Final Cut Pro, edit it using some of my other tutorials or iMovie, or you can upload it straight to YouTube like this if you want. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much about it for this tutorial. If you have any more iMovie or ScreenFlow or Final Cut Pro video ideas, just leave them down below. Also check out my website. That link is down in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.